Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create Web3 wallet on OKX. So in order to do it, you first need to open your Google Play Store or App Store and then tap on the search bar in the bottom. Now over here, you need to search for OKX, and once you are able to find OKX application, you just have to simply download and install it in your device. Now once this step is done, you just have to simply launch it, and as you can see that we have OKX exchange as well as the OKX wallet in the same application. But here, as we want to create the Web3 wallet, by default you might be on the exchange section, but you need to make sure that wallet is selected over here. After selecting it, it will ask you to either create a new wallet, or you can even select the second option if you already have one. But as we want to create a new Web3 wallet on OKX, you need to tap on create wallet, and then it will show you your secret phrase. So you need to press create wallet and then press enable. After that, it will ask you to verify your fingerprints or any other lock that you put on your screen. So you just have to provide that. Once done, it will show you that your Web3 wallet is created successfully. Now once this step is done, the first thing that you need to do is to simply backup your wallet on cloud, or you can even backup it manually. So let's say you have selected to cloud option, so you just have to first tap on it and then select the Google Drive option. After that, you will be able to see all of the email addresses in front of you. So you just have to select your email address on which you want to keep it on cloud, then you are done. If you want to backup your wallet manually, then tap on backup manually, and here you need to tap on this arrow button. After that, you can skip the instructions, and after providing your fingerprints, it will show you your secret seed phrase. So you just have to simply note it down somewhere safe and do not share it with anyone. After that, you just have to tap on done and next step. Then it will ask you to verify the seed phrase. So based on your seed phrase, it will ask you few of the words. So you just have to give the answer to the questions correctly, and this way you will be able to back up your OKX wallet. So this is how you can create your Web3 wallet on OKX. If this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.